What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Jasmy, which has been slowly starting to recover over the last week, as you guys can see, and right now it is up just about 7% in the last 24 hours, trading at just over the 2 cents target. So what is next for Jasmy? The crypto market has been quite volatile over the last few weeks. However, over the last few days it has slowly started to recover, with Bitcoin heading over $72,000 earlier this week. It has taken a little step back. However, the crypto market is recovering. So what is next for Jasmy? Is it going to keep hitting green candles, potentially pumping up to 3 cents over the coming weeks, and looking at, is now the time to buy it before it pumps up in value? Is it time to sell it before it crashes back down? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? So we are going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, we have resisted and pumped back up into the top tier level. As I mentioned in my previous Jasmy update, when it was dropping down in value, I did expect it to bounce back up from the resistance target and head back up, and that is exactly what's happened. So from this point onwards, it is likely to go through dips as well in between. However, I am not expecting it to head down into the blue zone at the moment, and yes, I'm expecting it to go higher and higher up above 0.025 cents by early to mid June is what I'm expecting, but we'll get into that very shortly. For now, let me hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple, at just under 2 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in red at nearly 0.022 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should essentially be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Reason for that is it has pumped up quite a bit over the last 24 to 48 hours, so it is time for it to go for a little bit of a step back in value. Again, it doesn't mean it's going to start crashing down right now. It is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment over the next couple of hours before it starts to slowly hit red candles later on this afternoon, evening time, making it step back down a little bit. Again, it is going to be a very minimal dip in value, nothing too crazy. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking a little bit skeptical here. Again, we've got the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the orange line is looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what this means for Jasmy is an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected according to the graph. However, from the predictions and analysis that I have done, I am expecting Jasmy to be heading at a higher value than where it is at the moment by mid to end of next week. So over the next 7 to 8 days, it should have gone near about 0.025 cents in value is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. Again, not just Jasmy, but I'm expecting majority of the cryptocurrencies out there to slowly start to hit green candles and slowly head upwards as well. Moving on to the daily chart, now we're looking much more positive. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So mid to late July, I'm expecting Jasmy to be heading over the 3 cents target is what I'm expecting at the moment. However, Jasmy is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis, so if there are any major updates or major changes that can come across, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But so far so good for Jasmy and the crypto market in general. As I mentioned in my previous updates, I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be hitting a new all-time high over the coming weeks, which should essentially have a positive impact on the crypto market. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So can Jasmy essentially hit a new all-time high over the last, well, again, it's not going to really hit a new all-time high overall, because back in about, let's have a look, 2021, the crypto was worth over $1, near about $4.29, where it pumped up like crazy and then literally crashed back down in value. So again, not really an all-time high overall, but over the last 2 to 3 years, can it essentially hit a new all-time high? Personally, I believe it can, especially if Bitcoin also hits a new all-time high, then we should see Jasmy pump up in value like crazy as well. So let me know in the comment section down below what your predictions and your takes are on Jasmy for 2024. Are you guys expecting it to essentially hit the 3 cents target? If so, when? If not, what is the highest it can hit? Let me know in the comment section down below. Heading back into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone up over 93% in the last 24 hours, making it over $130 million in trading, guys, which is quite of an increase. Reason is quite obvious. The crypto has pumped up, meaning a lot more people are trading the crypto, especially over the week. It has been quite volatile. However, over the last 2 to 3 days, it has pumped up quite a bit. And over the month, it is just about 4% up, as we can see. Quite a bit of a dips in late April and early May as well. It was fluctuating all up until recently. It has slowly started to recover. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Jasmy, guys. Personally, 3 cents is possible by the end of the year is what I'm expecting. However, any changes I will let you guys know. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.